Hello friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna see how to create a cloning and staging website in WordPress. Let's jump in the video. This video is available in multiple languages. To change the audio, go to the settings of the video, click audio track. Now you can change your preferred languages. Now let's see how to clone a website in WordPress software plus. Log into a cPanel directly. On the left hand side, click WordPress Manage by Software Plus. Before that, let's see what is cloning. Cloning is an exact copy of your live website. With just one click, you can clone your entire website to another website path. Let's see how to do that. Click the drop down option next to your website. Scroll down a little. Here you will see the option called clone. Click the clone option. Here it will ask you to enter another website or path. I'm going to clone my main website to subdomain. Click the drop down. Choose the subdomain which you want to clone your website. In directory part, you can mention the directory name. If you want to disable the search engine visibility, you can tick the option. I am leaving as default as it is. Next, enter the site name. Here I am giving the site name as clone site. Once you have given all the details, check the details once again. Once you have checked, click clone installation option. Wait for a few seconds to complete the cloning. Here you can see the cloning is completed. Now click the website from WordPress dashboard. Here you can see the website is cloned from main website to subdomain path. To cross check, you can enter the main website. Both the website content has same. With this, you can confirm the cloning of the website is successfully completed. Now let's see how to create a staging website. In the same cPanel main menu, click on the left hand side WordPress Manager by Software Plus. Click the drop down option next to your website. Scroll down a little, click staging option. Before beginning with staging the website, let's see what is staging. Staging also creating an exact copy of your main website to another website. Unlike cloning, in staging you will get the option to push the changes to your main website. Example, if you want to make any changes on the website, but it should not affect your main content, then you can create an exact copy of your main website to another staging site. You can do all the testing, developing, everything you can do on the staging site. Once you are satisfied with the latest designs and testing, you can push the changes from staging website to main website. Let's see how to do that. Here I am creating a staging website on subdomain. If you don't know how to create subdomain, I will drop the video in description. You can watch the video on how to create a subdomain cPanel. Click the drop down option to select the subdomain. The rest of the details will be automatically filled. Scroll down a little. Here you will see the option search engine visibility. Since I am doing the testing on staging site, I don't want anyone to see my content. So I am checking the search engine visibility option. In the site name, you can enter the site name. Here I am giving test. Then click create staging option. Please wait for a few seconds to complete the staging. Once it is completed, go to the Software Plus dashboard. Now search the subdomain on browser as well main website. Check whether the both content are same. The both content are same. Now I am logging to the subdomain of the WordPress. Left hand side, click post option. I am editing with Classic Editor. Here I am adding one extra line. Click update option to update the post. On the browser, search your staging site. Here you can see the updated content is reflected on staging site. If you click the main website, the content will not reflect on the main website. To post the changes from staging to main website, the drop down option next to a staging site. Scroll down a little, you will see the option push to live option. Click the option. Here click push to live option to push the changes. Once it is completed, now go to the software list dashboard. Now search the main website to check the staging has been done on your main website. Now you can see the staging has been pushed to your main website successfully. In this method, you can create cloning and staging in WordPress. If this video helps you, please like, comment. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more informative videos.